everyone, and welcome back to Live Love. I'm currently at my grandma's house. I'm having a sleepover, and yeah, she's over there. Her channel is Granny Josie. Go check her out. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make baby formula for your reborn baby dolls. It's easy and yeah, it's easy. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So things that you need. Okay, so things that you need is a spoon or mixing. You need a spoon. You need some all-purpose flour or any flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. And then something to mix your concoction in. So I'm just using this. And then you also need some warm water. So I'm just going to be taking my little measuring cup and putting some water in there. Okay, so I just did that. And now I'm going to put this water in the microwave to get it warm. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is what the end result is going to be. It looks like baby formula. The container is, the bottle is pink, so it looks pink, but the stuff looks pink. But wow, Liberty! So I just cleaned that mess up. But I'm just taking this water and putting it in the microwave. In there, that, and I'm going to put the timer on for a minute. Water. I just got the water. And I'm just going to take my flour and my spoon and kind of get the flour like that. I'm trying not to make a big mess. And put it in there. I'm going to put it in there until the water is white. So just take a couple spoons full of this. Get that much. Then I'm taking a different spoon and I'm mixing it. So it should be, I don't know, like baby food at the beginning because it's thick. Let's see, it's getting super thick. But see, as you can see, it's like see, the texture is kind of like baby food. This is how you make toddler food too. You can just leave it like this and leave it chunky and leave it like toddler food. Or you can add a little bit more water is what I'm going to do. So, yeah. By the way, Selena, if you're watching this, I fed my baby formula when I was trying to entertain you, and the bottle leaked. So, if wondering where like the nipple of the bottle went, like it's not in there. It's being sealed right now. So yeah, and I'll be back to you guys when it's not chunky. It's like a good consistency for baby milk. Well, guys, I need to switch to a bigger container because, like, as you can see, it's like almost overflowed. So I'm just going to pour this into here. I'm going to try and make the baby formula for the whole week, so that I don't have to keep making it throughout the week. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and get it the right texture, as you guys heard me say. And yeah. Okay, so you guys, it is the right texture as baby formula, and it does look like baby formula. On the camera, it looks white, like white, but in real life, it looks kind of yellow because moms do actually have yellow milk like the first couple weeks that they're breastfeeding, because like their milk hasn't like turned white, and because the baby, like, it tastes the same, but it doesn't look the same. But anyways, it looks white on camera. It's not white in real life. Okay, so right now it smells like flour and water, like it should, but you can also color it if you want to. I'm not going to because my baby is still 7 months old, so like, well, am I? Actually, I'm not going to. I was going to, but I'm not. Okay, so this is a baby formula, all complete. It does look like baby formula. I promise you guys it does. And yeah, that's how to make baby formula for your infants. I have a 7-month-old, and she's still absolutely. I'll watch that after. I hope. She still absolutely loves baby milk. So you can see my grandma. Say hi. Wave. Oh. Okay. I guess you don't want to wave. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.